Hello world. We rotate an array today. The problem link is in the description below. I highly recommend to go to that link and try to solve that problem yourself. Now let's start. We are provided this integer array nums and we have steps which is a non-integer. Here we are supposed to rotate the array to the right by k steps. This is the step where k is a non-negative. So we can perform the rotation by reversing sub-arrays within the list. What I'm thinking is swapping the elements at position as start and end. This is starting element and this one is the elements at the end. We can swap the elements recursively, so we need a function to reverse a sub-array of nums using a two-pointer approach. This function must modify the input list nums in place. So this function takes the nums array as an argument and takes this start as the other argument and takes this end as the other argument. So there are three arguments in total. Let me explain this way. Let's place these starting elements and these ending elements as arguments. I hope it's understandable now. If it's not, let me know in the comments below. Start and end are the indices delimiting the subarray to be reversed. Then we write this condition while this start is less than or equal to this end, which means the reversal process continues until start becomes greater than end. And then we simultaneously swap the values at indices start and end like this. We retrieve the value stored in the list at the specified index start, and we swap the values as at indices start and end. And also we swap the values at indices end and starts. Then we increment start and decrement end for each swap, effectively moving the pointers towards the center of the subarray. Now our function or method is ready to perform a series of reversals, effectively rotating the array to the right by a specified number of steps. Let's take this rotate method and use it to reverse the entire list and subarrays. First, we reverse the entire list, effectively flipping it. We need first argument, which is nums, and a second start argument. It is 0. And third end argument is the length of nums minus 1. It reverses the subarray from index 0 to n minus 1. Let's see the visual outcome to get it better. As we see, we reversed the entire list from 7 to 4 and it flipped it. And then we reversed the subarray from index 0 to k minus 1. This includes the elements that were at the end of the original list after the first reversal. We reversed the subarray from index k to n minus 1. This includes the elements that were at the beginning of the original list after the first reversal. The expected result is this rotated array. Let's code a little bit. We could write this line of code this way. Start indices swaps with end indices and end indices swaps with start indices. As we see, the result is the same. What's more, the length of nums could be assigned to a separate variable. to avoid the repeating. As we see, the result is the same again. We can comment this line of code because of the LeetCode task. We are not asked to return the array, but we ask it to just rotate it. Hey world, we solved the problem. Congratulations.